Welcome back to Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Now everybody likes mac and cheese. Some like a baked version, some like stovetop. Today, we're going to do the stovetop kind. Now we're going to start with a bechamel sauce, French white sauce. So we've got 3 tablespoons flour, all purpose. And we got 3 tablespoons of a salted butter. We're going to let this melt down. You see our pan's already warm. We'll keep that down from browning the butter. We just want everything to melt together and cook that raw flour taste out. Alright, so we're going to get a slight nuttiness to this. That's what we're looking for. Not going to go too dark. Just a good nose to it. Alright. Now we're going to add in, to start with, 2 cups of whole milk. Right about there. Just keep stirring. Alright, we're going to add the other second half of our milk in. Take 4 cups total. Make a good base, start adding our cheese in. Alright, so our milk's come up to a nice simmer. It's time to start adding our cheese. Now I prefer to use a fresh shredded sharp cheddar. Now you can buy the stuff in the bags. Unfortunately, they use an anti-caking agent, usually a potato starch. And that's fine if you're topping nachos or something along those lines where you just want it to be browned in the oven or broiler. But for anything melty, you're going to want to use fresh shred yourself so it comes out nice and creamy. We'll add this slowly to the pot and stir as we go. Don't want to crowd too much, then you end up with clumps. That's not good. As soon as everything looks like it's melted, go ahead and add a little bit more. Alright, so our sharp cheddar's all in. Now here I've got 5 ounces by weight of fresh grated Parmesan. Not the shake stuff. It's really good. It's a little more expensive. Taste buds will thank you. Same deal. Slowly incorporate. It's going to a nice little bit of salt, a little nuttiness to it. Guests will thank you. Don't lose a bit. A little dash of cayenne, just a hint. Couple taps. Good stir. Now you notice I didn't add any salt at this point, as the Parmesan has a good salt content to it. Alright, let's give her a taste. We adjust for salt at this point. That looks pretty good. We're going to get our macaroni ready. We'll incorporate it. Wrap this up. Alright, got our macaroni here. Now I'll cook this. Just heavily season the water. Let it boil, per instructions in the box. Don't add oil to your pasta. It just makes your sauce or your gravy, whatever you want to call it, just slide off. Don't do it. We'll add this in. Give it a stir. Now this was cooked al dente, which gives it a little tooth, so it gets back to the heat of the sauce. It'll finish up without being overdone. Nobody likes mushy macaroni. Every little bite there. All right. incorporate. Now as this sets, it's going to tighten up on you, but still keep that good creaminess. Alright, so let's give it a taste. Now everything's incorporated. See how she is. That's pretty good. That's mac and cheese. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us in the Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down in the corner to hear our future videos. And please comment below. If you have questions or suggestions, we'd gladly hear them. Thanks for joining us.